Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install mods in Minecraft Bedrock Switch. Alright, let's begin. For this, we'll go to the site that says, can you install mods in Minecraft on Nintendo Switch? So first we are going to say if it's even possible or not. And if it's not possible, what are the ways through which we can get mods? So here the question is, can you install mods in Minecraft on Nintendo Switch? So mods are special expansions that can change your game. You can add new items and mods or give existing ones new abilities. You can also change the landscape of the maps or add special skills to your character. At the moment, there are hundreds of different mods made by fans of the game, so there are a lot of mods being made by fans of the game. However, not all versions of the game can install mods in case of Minecraft on Nintendo Switch. Unfortunately, you cannot install mods. Perhaps this feature will be added in future, but most likely not, since this version is not written in Java. So here it answers our question that you cannot install mods on Nintendo Switch for Minecraft. However, there is a way to play Minecraft with mods on Switch. For this, you will need another version of the game on a PC or mobile phone. After purchasing the game, you need to create a new game account, and this is important. Otherwise, this method will not work. Then you need to find a suitable mod and then install them. And now you need to create a new world on a new account on a PC or your mobile phone. And the last step is to invite to the game the account that you use on your Nintendo Switch. So this way you can play with mods on your portable console. But we also recommend that you kill a character from your second account to play more comfortably on Nintendo Switch. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks.